suspicious person detected.
High dynamic range images.
Detect the best visual angle. Detecting the optimal viewing position. Complete. Hi, I'm Mercu.
Mercu, your mission is to guard the home's security.
I will protect your home and family. Warning, a suspicious person detected. Warning, a suspicious person detected. Warning, smoke detected. Warning, smoke detected. Instant smoke detection function. Rapid notification when activity detected. She's coming. I'm so nervous.
The safety of the house is over to you.
time-lapse videos, lightning strikes, flying foods, popping balloons, burning steel wools, high dynamic range images. No matter what kind of photography, as Ansel Adams said, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Sometimes you travel for miles, struggle with harsh weather, wait for hours, make countless attempts for the same scene. All this for one thing, making a great photo. This is why we have created Flex, the easiest way of making creative photos. Lightning strikes are one of the spectacular events of nature. Flex is an excellent tool for those who want to capture these unique moments. Adjust the camera settings, set the sensor sensitivity, and leave the rest to Flex. Whether daytime or nighttime, it detects lightning strikes and automatically triggers your camera to make the magic happen. You can instantly see the shot on your smartphone and combine multiple lightning strikes in a single photo to make impressive lightning photos. Moreover, you can instantly share them on your social media accounts with a single touch. Flex is one of the most powerful devices for making time-lapse videos last from minutes to hours without any hassle. In addition to regular time-lapse modes, Flex adds bulb ramping, HDR time-lapse, and even Holy Grail time-lapse for complex lighting conditions such as day-to-night transitions. Best of all, Flex shows you a preview of your time-lapse video during the shooting process. High dynamic range photography is another great way of making stunning photos. Flex extends your camera's bracketing limitations. It magically takes multiple images of the same scene at different exposures and stitches them into a single HDR image in seconds. Set your composition, exposure, and sit back. Just share with others and enjoy the comments. Live framing is an excellent tool for those who like to shoot with pre-planned compositions. Put the finishing touches on your scene and take the perfect photo with a single tap. Step into high-speed photography with Flex's smart sensors, which combine multiple high-speed photography features in a single unit. Take multiple shots of flying objects by freezing the moment. Making the photo you have dreamed of is now very easy and fun by using the laser mode. Or unleash your creativity with a popping balloon. Capture the right moment, preview from your smartphone, edit, and make that eye-catching photo. Flex is also capable of geotagging your photos by adding the GPS data from your smartphone. You can now easily organize your images according to their location. Flex offers far more functionality than a standard cable release. Its 6 different cable release modes let you dominate the shutter. You can release it with a single touch or set a timer to release the shutter. If you are a lover of star trails, steel wools, or light paintings, Flex will be an essential tool in your photo bag. Use one of Flex's many long exposure modes without having to touch your camera. You will be impressed by Flex's great features and be amazed by the contribution it can make to your photography. Please support our campaign and let's turn this dream into reality together again.
No.